So let's start with 11A. Row type extrinsic semiconductor is obtained when the germanium is doped with so make a p-type semiconductor. The intrinsic semiconductor is doped with an intrinsic impurity which is 3 valence electrons in its orbit. So for example, there is a gallium, indium, boron and aluminium. So obviously here option number 2 is correct. Next 12, the viscous drag acting at a metal sphere diameter is 1 mm falling through a fluid viscosity of 0.8 A. So here it is equal to, so viscous drag acting on a sphere is given by Fv 6 RV into 2, so 15.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 n, so 15 into 10 to the power 3. So answer number 3 is the closest here. 13, the maximum power dissipated, so here P equal to V RMS L RMS into cos theta phi. So in purely resistive circuit, voltage and currents are in the same phase, therefore phase difference is 0. So cos phi equal to 1, so the power dissipated is maximum. So it's a resistive circuit.